Alright, well, let's start first by, if you don't have a Facebook fan page or any page, this is how you make one. You want to go to facebook.com/pages. And it's as easy as that. You just type that straight in. Facebook makes it a little bit difficult for you to find it. I spent about an hour looking around where to find it and had to Google how to make a fan page. So anyway, it'd be nice if they gave this link out to everyone or made it pretty obvious on the site, but they don't. So just do facebook.com/pages, and then right up at the top, this you can kind of browse all pages or look at the pages that you control. But if you want to create a page, this is where you do it right here. So you just create a page, and then you have to decide what kind of page you want. Most pages, I'm guessing, are going to be most of you guys listening to this are going to do an official page because you want to create a page for a local business, a brand, product, organization, artist, band, or public figure. And again, one thing you want to remember for both of these is that you will not be able to change the name once it's been created. Again, I wish this was something that Facebook would change, and maybe they will in the future, but for right now, you are stuck with that name. And most people don't realize you actually should think about the name because it has a lot of SEO value where you're going to rank in Google as far as where your name's going to pop up. So if at all possible, you want to have a few keywords in your name, whether it's fitness or baseball or golf or whatever your kind of market is. You want to make sure you have some keywords in that name. Like if you look back at one of my most popular pages is for Train Baseball, and that's the name of the company, and it's trainbaseball.com, and I have the word train for training and baseball in my name. So again, that kind of just worked out for me. I wasn't aware that I wasn't able to change my name, and knowing what I know now, I probably would have changed it or at least added something on to the end of it, like Train Baseball colon, the place to get the whatever. You just kind of have like a little tagline or add some more keywords on the end. And the one thing you want to remember again, not only does it affect SEO value, but your Facebook name is the only. If you're advertising on Facebook and you want your ads to pop up over here on the right side, your Facebook, if you're advertising a fan page, which is what I recommend doing, and I'll explain why later, you will only be able to use the title of your page. If I'm advertising my fan page and I'm running an ad over here, I cannot say anything except my title cannot be anything except the title of my fan page. So again, this might be something you want to play around with just to create a test fan page, because a lot of times some of the best headlines up here ask a question. Like for my baseball page, my best performing ad ever was a picture of a guy getting hit in the face with a ball, and the top of my headline said, "Are you a baseball coach?" And it would ask a question, because that question mark kind of draws the attention of the audience that you're trying to put your ad in front of. So again, you can't really do that with a fan page because I don't want my fan page to say baseball coach, and that's pretty much it. Again, it might be something you want to test if you're just kind of running a quick product or something like that. But for the most part, you just want to go with your brand or business name, and then add a few keywords in there. Maybe have a tagline as part of the page. But again, you can kind of make that call on your own. But just remember, you can't change the name once it's made, and the name of your page is going to be the title of all your ads that you're running. So again, like I said, I would change mine now, but my ads have been running pretty well, and I advertise to my page, and the ad just says Train Baseball, and then has a good image and some good copy, and that's pretty much it. So once you go back to creating your page, you want to do your name here. So if you do, local business, you have a bunch of different, sectors in here you can choose from. Your brand, product, organization. I think that's what I did, was choose a brand, and I think I just did sports and athletics. If you're a well-known guy, you can do that. If you're an athlete or a politician or sports team or whatever. This really doesn't matter all that much. It just sticks you in a category, which might help with some search stuff. So again, you might just want to base it on where you can find the best category for you. So that's pretty much it. Let's go and we'll just set this up for you guys. And you want to do I'm the official representative, yes, and that's pretty much it. So you want to create the page, and here it is. And again, you want to notice up here that my URL is facebook.com/pages/testing page and all these numbers. And that's, you can you can mask a link on your website and just say facebook.com, or here's our Facebook fan page, and make this the link. But this isn't very convenient if you're going to put it on a business card or put it in your email signature or whatever it's going to be. And I'll show you how to do this in a later video. But remember, my page, if you just do facebook.com/trainbaseball, that it comes right to my page. So again, this kind of walks you through it. You can add an image, put some basic info, post status updates and all that stuff, and you're given 2 tabs, and that's your wall tab, and then it's your info tab. And again, you want to kind of make sure your wall, before you start advertising or release it to anyone, make sure you have a few posts on your wall to just make it look a little bit populated, and obviously your info, and you can start adding some pages and stuff like that. So if we jump over to my page, you can kind of see that it's obviously populated. It's been around for a while, and that's pretty much it. So that's kind of the quick and dirty on setting up your page, facebook.com/pages, and go through the whole process, and that's it.